Thank you for choosing the iSpring Whole House Water Filtration System. In this video, we will show you how to properly install a LED UV filter. Before we begin, please carefully read the user manual and ensure water temperature ranges from 35 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The system is intended for cold water use only. Do not run hot water through the system. Do not install this product outside or where exposed to direct sunlight or freezing temperatures. An electrical outlet is required for installation. This product is designed for residential use only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential settings. Please check that all parts were included in the package and have all the required pipe connectors and tools ready. Preparation. Please note that installation setups may vary depending on your plumbing configuration. Connectors used in the installation video are for demonstration purpose only and are not included. Step 1. Attach the mounting plate to the UV module with the mounting screws. Step 2. Install 3/4-inch female NPT connectors to the water inlet and outlet. Apply plumber's tape as needed to prevent leaks and tighten securely with a wrench. Make sure to follow the correct water flow direction indicated by the in and out markings. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and turn on a faucet on the water supply line to drain the remaining water and air from the pipe. Step 2. Find a suitable location on the water line for the UV filter to be installed. Measure and cut the water pipe. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Install the UV filter onto the pipeline, ensuring the water flow direction aligns with the direction marked on the filter label. Verify that both the inlet and outlet pipes are fully inserted into connectors to prevent any leaks. Step 4. Connect the power adapter to the UV filter and tighten the nut to secure the connection. Plug in the adapter to a nearby electrical outlet. Step 5. Turn on the main water supply to rinse the filter for 2 minutes. Ensure that no leaks occur. Please note the UV filter has an integrated water flow sensor. When water flows through the filter, it activates automatically without any manual operation. When the UV filter is on and standby, the indicator light will remain solid blue. The light will turn green when water flows through. When the indicator turns red, it means the UV filter has reached its lifespan and needs replacement. Congratulations! Your iSpring Whole House LED UV filter installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.